Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SIH Creations. Today we learn something about galaxies. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic.
How many galaxies are there in the universe? We don't know. No one knows. Every time astronomers look into the universe, they discover more galaxies. Some parts of the universe have not been looked at yet, and there are other parts that telescopes cannot see. The best estimate by astronomers is that there are at least 125 billion galaxies out there. Common shapes. First, spiral galaxy. A disc shaped galaxy with a central bulge and arms spiraling away from it. Second, barred spiral galaxy. A spiral galaxy with a straight bar of stars that runs through the center, like the Milky Way. Third, elliptical galaxy. A collection of old stars that can be shaped like a ball, egg, or cigar. Fourth, lenticular galaxy. This is a lens shaped galaxy that seems to bridge the gap between ellipticals and spirals. Fifth, irregular galaxy. It cannot be classed into any group due to no regular shape, yet it is rich in gas and dust. Fast facts. Galaxies. Galaxies are huge star systems made of stars and large amounts of gas and dust. They come in a range of sizes and shapes consisting of millions, billions, or even trillions of stars. Some, known as active galaxies, have unexpected amounts of energy that come from star material falling into a black hole. Other galaxies are transformed by galactic collisions. Galaxy Gallery. The vast spinning collections of stars, gas, and dust that make up a galaxy can look truly spectacular. Some galaxies are named after the earthly objects they resemble.
Sombrero Galaxy. Black Eye Galaxy. Cigar Galaxy. Cartwheel Galaxy.
Black holes. A black hole is a region of incredibly powerful gravity that drags matter towards it and squeezes it into a tiny space or point, which is called a singularity. They are called black because the light that is sucked in cannot get out. You get black holes when massive stars explode. These explosions are called supernovas. You also get black holes at the center of active galaxies, where their mass is equivalent to millions of suns.
Blasts from the past. 1784. William Herschel estimates the size and shape of the Milky Way. He wrongly thinks we are at its center. 1917. Observations made with the 2.5 meter (8.2 feet) Hooker telescope on Mount Wilson, California show that the Andromeda Nebula is a galaxy, the first known to exist apart from the Milky Way. 1920. Harlow Shapley discovers that the Sun is two-thirds of the way out from the center of the Milky Way. 1924. Edwin Hubble proves there are other galaxies in the universe. and later develops a classification scheme based on shape and structure. He also shows the universe is expanding. The more distant the galaxy, the faster it is moving away. 1985, Vera Rubin finds that many galaxies contain dark matter. What's in a name? Galaxy comes from the Greek name for the galaxy we live in, the Milky Way galaxy, and has its origins in the Greek word for milk. Did you know? Apart from the Milky Way, three galaxies are easily seen with the naked eye from Earth. They are Andromeda, the Large Magellanic Cloud, and the Small Magellanic Cloud. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The next topic is, are all stars the same? So make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, do a task. Jai Hind.